Hello everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you this new agent we have created on AgenticFlow. So this agent is basically a designing agent meant for designing advertisements as well as posters. It is useful for like marketing as well as creative work. So it can automate all that. So let me just show you how it works. So let me just prompt it. In this case, the system prompt is basically tailored to Pixel ML branding. So with Pixel ML colors as well as brand logos and all that. So in this case, we are just simulating that Pixel ML is an electronics shop and it sells electronics. So let me just ask it to create an ad for AirPods on Pixel ML. So this agent knows the Pixel ML brand guidelines as well as themes. It is baked into the system prompt, and there is also an image generation workflow, which is also tailored to Pixel ML. So what this agent does is it runs this workflow and then it creates the advertisement. So as you can see, it has run the workflow and it is successful in creating the advertisement. So as you can see, here we have the image generated and we can actually view the image. So as you can see, it has Pixel ML branding, Pixel ML color scheme, as well as the product image and tagline.
Yeah, so basically this agent, what it does is that it's going to help you to create the branded video or creative. And you can see that it's using exact the logo that we are putting here. And it can help us to prompting on new product creation and so on and so on. So basically it's going to really helpful for the creative team where you would like to design an agent that really help you to create relevant material and using the asset that you already have. So for today, I'm going to drop the current creative or designer asset into our Discord channel so that you can have a look. Or later, you can feel free to using our channel. We will including the asset or material that you can try yourself as well. Okay, so let me copy this one. Go into this one Discord agent. I would drop the three file. I would drop that into Discord. Yep, I sent. Yeah, you if you notice on the Discord, you will be able to see that. Okay, so let me go into to exactly how is it going to work. So if you can see here, after you are downloading our agent, then you will be able to see this agent here. But for now, I'm going to just create import from a file. And I'm going to drag the agent into this area. Oops, no, not this one. Okay, into this area, I click import. Then after that, the agent is going to be able to have the skill in the left-hand side within the system prompt we create for them. And also, if you click over a bit, then you will be able to see like what is the system prompt that we put to the agent. So it's quite simple, including like you are on PixelML poster design is a resigning agent and give you some of the mandatory asset, for example, like PixelML logo, and then using some of the other prompt and cloning as well. And basically, what you need to do is to create a new chat, just say hi to it. And because this agent is actually using a workflow named PixelML Nano Banana AI email edit and resign. So you need to creating this one by dropping the workflow that I share in Discord group. But right now, I'm just open that so that you can have a look on like what exactly it is. So this workflow is very simple. It will take the user input as a file and a topic and also the logo. And then going to the edit image, it will choosing the model Nano Banana with the prompt that we put in user input. And also it's going to put the image as an attachment to the message that we send to the model Nano Banana. In our case, that is our logo, PixelML. And after this one, then actually Nano Banana is basically doing the image generation with this one. So if you go into history, then you will be able to see that this is the work that have been run like few hours ago by our team. And just click on this one. You will see that the input is going to be the URL, which is the Pixelmail logo. And here is the topic, which is create an ad on airport and blah blah. And the output is of the image is going to be like this. So let me copy here to here, copy and go to this one. Yeah, you can see. So this is exactly the image that we create with the agent. And if you're going to notice in here, the trigger is saying that run by the agent a few hours ago.